Well, hello Ana Laura. This is the recorded class for you. So I don't usually do this, so forgive me if it's not flowing exactly the way it should. Usually the classes are communicational, conversation, but I will open an exception because you asked me to, and I can't cancel the classes anymore because it's the time people could have classes. So, today we'll have three audios, okay? The three audios, they are connected to our classes. So the vocabulary is connected to our classes, the verbs, the structure, and 10 minutes for each audio, more or less. I will go step by step, I will go slowly. You can pause the video if you have a question, and then you go back in the video. If you have a question, I cannot help you because this is just a recording. Anyway, and then let's do it. So, look at the pictures. Do you like those things? So, I will ask you a question, eu vou te fazer perguntas. Você tenta responder mentalmente, tá? So, do you like these fruits? Are they good? Well, my first question is, look at the berries. These are berries. Can you tell them apart? Can you tell them apart? Pensa pouco nessa pergunta. Vou dar a tradução. Você consegue diferenciar elas? Can you tell the berries apart? Do you know the names? What is the name of this one, and this, and this, and this? Do you know the names? So, these are the names. Repeat, please. Cherry, blackberry, blueberry, raspberry, strawberry. One more time. Cherry, blackberry, blueberry, raspberry, strawberry. Look at the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look at the names. Now, you can pause this video, pode dar uma pausa no vídeo, and think about how they connect. Pensa na conexão entre as frutas e os nomes. Ok. Pausou o vídeo, sabe a resposta? Se não sabe, pausa o vídeo. Vou dar as respostas. Cherry is number 3. This is cherry. Blackberry is number 4. Blueberry is number 1. Raspberry is number 5. And strawberry, obviously, it's number 2. Okay. In your opinion, are berries sour, sweet, or bland? Sour? Do you remember sour? Tem que lembrar. Sweet? Bland? Think about it. Pensa. Se não sabe, dá uma pausa, vai ver. Ok. Opinião livre. You give me your opinion. Or you talk to yourself. And let's do it. I will play a dialogue. The question is, what are they talking about? Keep this question in your mind. What are they talking about? Listen.
There are so many different kinds of berries.
I can't tell some of them apart.
Me neither. It is a difficult task.
Raspberries and blackberries have the same shape.
Just remember that raspberries are red.
Then why is raspberry candy always colored blue?
I think that's because cherry flavor is already red.
Blueberries are even more confusing.
Why? They're the blue ones.
Well, when you mash them, they look purple.
I don't think anyone eats mashed blueberries.
It's easier to eat them all in a pie. Then they all taste good together.
Okay. What are they talking about? Pode me dar a sua resposta? Yes, they are talking about berries. Berries. Okay. This is the dialogue. But first, repeat please. Candy. É doce, alimento, o alimento doce. Shape. Forma, formato. To mash, mashed. Triturar, amassar. Ok. Well, look at the dialogue. Do you have questions? Se tiver dúvidas, pausa, faz uma pesquisa. Neste vídeo eu não posso te responder. And let's listen once again. After listening, we will practice. That we can do. Depois de ouvir, a gente vai praticar. Eu vou falar só o A, você fala só o B. Vou te dar o tempo para isso. E depois a gente inverte. Eu falo só o B, você só fala o A. Darei-lhe um tempo para isso também. Listen again. Focus your listening on the pronunciation.
There are so many different kinds of berries.
I can't tell some of them apart.
Me neither. It is a difficult task.
Raspberries and blackberries have the same shape.
Just remember that raspberries are red.
Then why is raspberry candy always colored blue?
I think that's because cherry flavor is already red.
Blueberries are even more confusing.
Why? They're the blue ones.
Well, when you mash them, they look purple.
I don't think anyone eats mashed blueberries.
It's easier to eat them all in a pie. Then they all taste good together.
Let's practice. I will be letter A and you will be letter B. There are so many different kinds of berries. Me neither. It is a difficult task. Just remember that black raspberries are red. I think that's because cherry flavor is already red. Why? They are the blue ones. I don't think anyone eats mashed blueberries. Okay. Let's do it once again. You start now. You are letter A. Go. I can't tell some of them apart. Raspberries and blackberries have the same shape. Then why is raspberry candy always colored blue? Blueberries are even more confusing. Well, when you mash them, they look purple. It's easier to eat them all in a pie. Then they all taste good together. Okay. How about you? Do you eat any of those berries? Do you eat blueberries? Do you eat strawberries, cherries, blackberries, raspberries? If you eat them, how do you eat them? How? With ice cream, yogurt, with milk? Okay. Following on to the second slide. In your opinion, what is the most plain food? Tofu or choco? Do you remember plain? Bland? Plain? It's the same. If you cannot feel the taste or the taste is not accurate, is not a specific taste, you say it's plain. It's bland. There are two words for that, plain, bland. What do you do when the food is not tasty? For example, what do you do when the food is plain, bland? Do you eat? Do you add something? Do you throw away? What do you do? We will listen to an audio and then you focus on the question. What did they do? So what was the solution that they found? They probably found a solution. Which one? Let's listen.
This chicken is so plain.
I agree with you.
Should we send it back?
No, I don't want to give the waiter any trouble.
Should we just leave this restaurant then?
No, we already got here.
What in the world do we do then?
I know. Let's add chili sauce and lemon.
What a great idea.
Okay, here I go.
Well, how does it taste?
It tastes so much better.
Okay. So what was the solution they found? What did they do? This is the audio. This is the text as well. So, there are two words here. Trouble, repeat please, trouble. And the verb leave, sair ou deixar. Okay, I will play once again. You can read now. Focus on the question if you haven't answered it yet. And let's do it.
This chicken is so plain.
I agree with you.
Should we send it back?
No, I don't want to give the waiter any trouble.
Should we just leave this restaurant then?
No, we already got here.
What in the world do we do then?
I know. Let's add chili sauce and lemon.
What a great idea.
Okay, here I go.
Well, how does it taste?
It tastes so much better.
Okay, let's practice. I will be letter A and you will be the other person, letter B. This chicken is so plain. Should we send it back? Should we just leave this restaurant then? What in the world do we do then? What a great idea! Well, how does it taste? Well then, your turn now. You'll be the letter A, and I will be the other person. I will be letter B. I agree with you. No, I don't want to give the waiter any trouble. No, we already got here. I know. Let's add chili sauce and lemon. Okay, here I go. It tastes so much better. Okay, is there any kind of sauce you usually add? What can you add to the food when the food is plain, when the food is bland? I'm gonna give you some options. Repeat, please. Soy sauce, olive oil, chili sauce, mayonnaise, salad dressing, vinegar. Okay, what kind of sauce do you add and in which kind of food? Okay, well, that's all for today. This is the recorded class. Keep in mind the questions that I have asked you, answer them, send me a audio and written answer to the questions. Bye bye.